Most enterprise RAG systems built on top of naive vector databases fail miserably in production. They hallucinate on exact keyword lookups, choke on changing document schemas, and cost thousands in recurring cloud embedding calls. Today, we are unveiling the production architecture of OpenSearch Hybrid Search for enterprise knowledge bases and Odoo ERP. I am Vinay Rana from VPCS, and in this masterclass, you will discover how to eliminate cloud RAG dependencies with a sovereign local OpenSearch 3.2 cluster, dense vector pipeline, and the Open Knowledge Format Standard. Let us examine the core architecture. Unlike cloud-locked vector stores, this platform runs entirely locally or in your private VPS cluster using OpenSearch 3.2. Local embedding inference is powered by OpenSearch ML Commons with a 38 4-dimensional dense vector model running directly inside the cluster. This means zero cloud API dependencies, zero per query latency penalties, and absolute data sovereignty for your internal documentation and ERP records. Why do traditional enterprise search and vector-only search fail? Vector search alone understands semantic concepts like how to fix employee leave balance, but completely fails on exact entity lookups like invoice reference numbers, database column names, or module codes. Conversely, pure keyword search fails when users ask conversational questions. Furthermore, enterprise knowledge is fragmented across markdown vaults, standard operating procedures, and relational business records. To solve document consistency, our platform standardizes on the Open Knowledge format. The Open Knowledge format uses front matter metadata headers to categorize concepts, operational playbooks, troubleshooting guides, and API specs. Our multi-knowledge base registry allows scaling across any number of independent knowledge repositories. A single cluster seamlessly routes queries across internal company wikis, product catalogs, engineering runbooks, and customer documentation. Here is the secret to enterprise accuracy, true hybrid retrieval. When a query enters OpenSearch, the search pipeline executes both a BM25 lexical search for exact word matches and a dense vector KNN search for semantic understanding. OpenSearch's score normalization processor dynamically scales and weights both score distributions. You get pinpoint precision for specific code symbols and error codes, alongside deep conceptual understanding for natural language questions. One of OpenSearch's greatest advantages is schema-agnostic document scaling. You are never locked into a rigid database table structure. Our ingestion engine dynamically extracts text, chunks, headings, and maps arbitrary metadata whether you are ingesting markdown notes, PDF handbooks, product catalog definitions, or complex relational JSON schemas from external microservices. The cluster auto-indexes new fields while preserving full vector similarity capabilities. Now let us look at the most exciting capability, direct integration with Odoo 17, 18, and 19. Instead of maintaining complex, error-prone custom LangChain or Llama Index RAG pipelines, Odoo communicates directly with OpenSearch via lightweight MCP tools or direct REST calls. Odoo Chatter, custom AI assistant widgets, and backend controllers can instantly retrieve verified business context, policy docs, and product manuals in sub-50 milliseconds to power intelligent automated responses. Engineers and system operators have instant access to multiple interfaces. The lightning-fast CLI allows searching with granular filters like tags, document type, and custom hybrid score weights. For non-technical team members, a dedicated web interface provides interactive query exploration, visual score breakdown, and direct links to source documents. This platform is engineered from the ground up for the Agentic AI era. It ships with a built-in model context protocol server exposing search knowledge and list knowledge bases tools. AI coding assistants like Claude Code, Google Antigravity, and Cursor can natively query your private repository blueprints, coding standards, and deployment runbooks with zero manual copy-pasting. Keeping search indices fresh is completely automated. Our background Autosync scheduler detects file modifications using SHA-256 content hashing and incremental change ledgers. Safety guards prevent accidental index wipes if a vault directory becomes temporarily unmounted, ensuring high availability in production environments. For production rollouts, we provide a complete zero-trust deployment blueprint. The cluster runs on a dedicated Ubuntu VPS inside an isolated Docker network. All incoming traffic is secured via Cloudflare Zero Trust tunnels with meters TLS and strict IP allow listing, ensuring your private knowledge base is never exposed to the public internet. At VPCS, our engineering philosophy is built on complete transparency and data sovereignty. When you work with us, you receive 100% unencrypted source code ownership with zero recurring per user SaaS license fees. Your confidential enterprise knowledge stays on your dedicated infrastructure under your absolute control. Because every organization possesses unique data architectures, VPCS delivers end-to-end custom deployment and adapter engineering. We integrate OpenSearch Hybrid Search directly into your existing Odoo modules, customer support ticketing, internal wikis, and proprietary data pipelines with guaranteed performance. Thank you for watching this architectural walkthrough of OpenSearch Hybrid Search for enterprise knowledge bases. To deploy this sovereign search infrastructure or integrate intelligent AI search into your Odoo systems, contact our engineering team at vpcscloud.com or email vinay.ra@vperfectchess.com. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Vinosoft 85 for more enterprise architecture masterclasses. See you in the next video.